Let's go. Time for our walk and talk. Okay, so welcome back to our walk and talk. Keiko and I are making our way around the neighborhood, and I went down a rabbit hole on mitochondria, and I have lots of fun new facts for you today. Your body is made up of, trillions of microscopic cells, and every one of those cells has mitochondria inside of it. And some of those cells have up to, in a single cell, 100,000 mitochondria. At any given time, your body has enough readily available energy to instantly use it for maybe a couple minutes. But beyond that, your body is going to rely on stored energy called ADP. That ADP is going to need to be changed into a usable form so your body can actually use it during exercise, and that is the job of all those mitochondria in your body. In other words, it's the mitochondria's job to take energy you eat from food and change it into energy your body can use called ATP. The areas that need more energy, like your heart and your largest muscles, have more mitochondria inside of them. Some people are really blessed because they have more mitochondria in their body than other people. So when they work out, their bodies burn energy quicker and more efficiently than people with less mitochondria. How did they get so lucky? To be honest, it has a lot to do with genetics. However, stick with me because there are some things you can do to increase your mitochondria that are within your control. Let me share with you some of the things you might be doing that could be damaging the mitochondria that you already have. Check out this list. No, I know some of the things on here you have no control over, like aging, but there are a few things on here you do have some control over, and so I thought I would just share that with you. Here's a list of the drugs that they're talking about that are known to cause mitochondrial damage. Finally, one of my favorite resources I found is a graph showing what kinds of things indicate that you have mitochondrial damage. Take a look at this graph. Pause it to read more closely. The primary cause is gray hair, I know, but that has to do with aging, and we already know that getting older can cause mitochondrial dysfunction. Take a look at the second factor on the list. It's muscle weakness. That's amazing because we can do something about that. If your muscles are weak from underuse, you're not optimizing your mitochondria. You're not training them how to be more efficient. So in my quest to find out how to increase mitochondria or make it more efficient, I did a lot of Googling. And here are some of the suggestions I found. Some of these words I don't even know, and it took me a little bit of digging to try to figure out what they mean, and I'm interested in this kind of thing. So obviously some of these solutions aren't very practical. I did find one solution, hands down, over and over again in multiple sources for increasing your mitochondria. That was exercise. Exercising is the best way to improve your mitochondrial function. So next time you're working out, remember to thank all those little mitochondria working away inside of your body. And remember, you're also helping to train them become more efficient too. If you made it this far, Keiko and I are so excited that you find mitochondria as interesting as we do. And we hope you'll keep a lookout for our next video, part 3 of mitochondria, where we will focus on diseases that are connected to mitochondrial dysfunction. And that's a wrap for today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.